Okay, there was a bit of confusion when this problem was presented because lowercase s was used for the sequence and uppercase s was used for the sum or the series. So I'm just going to replace little s with a little a, so there's no confusion. So the sequence says that the 28th term of the sequence is negative 101. That's all we know. And that the sum of the first four terms of that sequence or the series with four terms adds up to 4. So the formulas for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence and the sum of that arithmetic sequence contains both the variable n, the variable a sub 1, and the variable, I'm putting a comma here, so let me get rid of that 1 right there. That was supposed to be a comma. And d. But in both cases, this number right here represents the variable n. So now we're down to 2 unknowns. So if we could come up with 2 equations, 2 unknowns, we could find a sub 1 and d. So for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, the nth term, or the 28th term in this case, is negative 101. That equals the first term plus n minus 1 differences, and this is n right here. So 28 minus 1 is 27, so there's an equation involving a sub 1 and d. And over here, this is the nth term of this for the sum of the first 4 terms of the sequence. So s sub 4 equals the number of terms, which is 4, times the average of the first and the last. So here's the first term, and here's the last term. We start at the first term again and add on n minus 1 differences. Some people put the 2 out here and say n over 2 times the sum of the first and the last. Either way, if you simplify this, this is a 2, this is a 4. 4 divided by this coefficient of 2 gives us a 2 out front, and we get 2a sub 1 plus 3d. Now, if you solve this system right here, this is what you get. A sub 1 is 7, d equals negative 4. I'll leave that to the viewer to solve that system. And here's kind of proof that these values work. Here's the given information in black. So a sub 28, from this formula right here, the first term plus n minus 1 differences. A sub 28 is negative 101. S sub 4 is the sum of the first 4 terms. Look right here, 4 and 4. And you're supposed to find a sub 11, or s sub little s sub 11, which is negative 33. And the sum of 20 terms is negative 620. Okay, and you can use either of these formulas using summation notation, which this is the sequence, and s of x is just using the formula for the sum of the series. Number of terms divided by 2 times the average of the first, or times the sum of the first and the last. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.